you're gonna need another $60
David,
to,
David, we'll take care of that.
hold on, what?
We'll take care of that, David and I.
Thank you, gentlemen. I really appreciate it.
This, let me tell you something about fanboys. This is my brother and that's my son. We didn't rehearse this, but you're gonna get $50, Joe? Getting $50 out of him is like trying to get $50,000 out of somebody, right?
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Okay, we had a matter yesterday that I'm going to continue on this morning, and that is the matter of Maria Robertson. Good morning, Maria.
Good morning, Your
You
Honor.
want to get close to the mic?
Yes,
So I can hear you?
Good morning.
Okay, you were talking about your son yesterday. Is this him?
Yes.
What's his name?
Chance.
Chance. Hi, Chance. Hi. How old are you?
5.
5 years old. Wow. What do you want to be when you get bigger?
I want to be a firefighter.
A firefighter. Wants to be a fireman. Oh. The fire station is right next door.
Where?
Have you ever seen a big fire truck? No?
Oh yeah,
You-
me and my mom went to the space station.
Oh, you went to the station, huh?
I took him. Well, he likes the fire trucks a lot, so one day I was walking by, I asked him if he can go in there and see, and they let him see it.
Anyway, Inspector Quinn, you weren't here yesterday, but Maria really touched all of us. She has a situation where her car was towed because it wasn't registered. She couldn't get it registered because the registry was closed. And she had a number of tickets, but she has some financial problems. And one of the things that you talked about was that you had a difficult childhood. Would you share that with us? Because it may help some other people.
Well, when I was a kid, like my memory basically dates back to 5. When I was a kid, I got abused by my mom, but what happened was the people, they kept saying that I was defiant, that I wasn't listening, but no one was asking me the question of what's going on at home. So they just kept thinking I wasn't listening. So I got sent away when I was 14, and then I got out when I was 18, but when I was away, I didn't have my mom, my dad, I don't know my dad, so it was literally just me. So when I got out at 18, my uncle, he was a Providence police detective, but now he's a sergeant now for the Providence Police Force. He is my role model because he told me when he was younger, he had either 2 choices because he grew up in Hartford Projects. He said he could either went one way with those guys and his friends, or he could have went to college, and he chose to go to college. But that's the struggle that I'm having today. But because I got rid of all the influences and everybody in my past, it's just now me and him, and I'm trying to push forward. It's a little hard because it's still the beginning for me. But like I say, every day I try to keep my head above water.
I think you should be congratulated on trying to turn your life around. Now, you said something very significant, that education is the key. So you're going to make sure that he gets to college, right?
Yes.
That's like
Indeed.
an absolute, right?
Yes.
I know times are tough for you. Well, yesterday you, unfortunately, had a car that was towed. You didn't have any money. You had some tickets. So we were able to help you out with the tickets. But the situation was that your car is now at a tow company. And every day you're paying storage fees. And you don't have any money. So I had Mr. Sarkeesian, who is a former police officer, check with the tow company for how much the charges would be. And the charges are $175 for storage and towing that you owe the tow company. So you can't get the car out until you pay $175. But because the car isn't registered, you have to have it towed. And the charge to have the car towed would be $85. So you'd need $260 to get the car out of the storage company and to get it towed. You understand that?
Yes,
So I asked you to come back today because I told you that I would try to I would try to help you after we found out how much was needed. So we have people from throughout the country, actually from throughout the world, who send in money to help people that we think are worthy. Some people send check and some people send cash. In your case, we would really need some cash to give to you to pay for the tow company. So a gentleman from Sedona, Arizona, by the name of Bill Rapper, sent in $200 suggesting that I use it to help someone who I thought had a particular problem, was an unwed mother with the child who had no money and had a real serious problem. So we sent in $200 in cash. So we're going to use that money. It's called the Philomena Fund, after my mother. We're going to use that $200, and now we're going to see if we can get, you're going to need another $60 to,
David, we'll take care of that.
hold on, to pay the tow company. Okay, so we're $60 short. What?
We'll take care of that, David and I.
Thank you, gentlemen. I really appreciate it.
This, let me tell you something about fanboys. This is my brother and that's my son. We didn't rehearse this. But
Okay,
you're going to get $50, Joe? Getting $50 out of him is like trying to get $50,000 out of somebody,
Oh
right?
my gosh. Wow.
This may be a first.
Wow. Wow. I really appreciate it.
50 or 60?
We need 60. We need $60. Are you going to donate that money?
Wow.
All right, here's what I'm hearing. They don't know this yet. Here's what I'm hearing. They're going to give you $50 each. So you're going to have another $40 to buy breakfast for this guy.
Oh, thank you.
Okay?
I just thank you. You guys are amazing.
All right, here's what we want you to do. We want you to stay in touch with us. And David,
Indeed.
you're going to give her that money now?
There you go.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Maybe Inspector Quinn can arrange for you to go see a fire truck before you leave. Would you like that?
Oh, he'll love that. He loves it.
All right, Maria,
Oh wow. I'm really shocked, Judge. I'm sorry.
we've been checking on you. We know that you don't have a vehicle to get here today, so this is a Mr. Sarkeesian, Simon Sarkeesian. He's a former police officer who is going to give you a ride to the tow company and arrange for you to get your car towed, and then we'll give you a ride home, okay? So that you and your son won't have to be finding a way to get a ride, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. You're the best.
And speak to Mr. Sarkeesian. He may be able to arrange for you to get the car registered as well. All right? So maybe you can use some of that extra money to get the car registered.
Okay.
All right? If you don't have enough, contact us and we'll help you out.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So we want you to get the car towed. We want you to get it registered, okay? And we want you to get on the road, and hopefully things will turn around for you.
Thank you
Okay.
so much, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you.
Remember, we've all had problems in life. It's no sin to get knocked down. It's a sin not to get back up. And you got back up, so we're going to see if we can help you stay up.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
I really appreciate it.
Good luck. Stay in touch with us.
Thank you. I will. I will.
All right, we
Next
want to
time-
know.
Next time we all go out to dinner, we're gonna bring you. Maybe we'll get Joe to pick up the tab that night. Seems
Dinner
like
will
you're the
be
only
on
one
me
that
next time.
can pull him out.
Thank you, Joe. I really appreciate you.
All right, good luck.